Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off save the post photos on your Threads app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down here on this sign, then it's going to take you to your profile or this window here. Then you just go up, you will click here on this sign here on app, and it's going to take you here to this window, and you just click here on account. Then it's going to take you to account window here. You click here on other account settings, then you come to settings window here. You just go down and you come here to original posts, and you come here in this window, you come here to save post posted photos. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's means save posted photos, it's on off now. I wish now you are get. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.